Hello there, my friends, and welcome. When you search where to study digital marketing, you'll be overwhelmed and frustrated. You'll find countless of information out there, universities, colleges, expensive certifications, courses, endless programs. But let's be real. Most moms don't have the time or the money for that. So today I'll share with you the best practical study options that fit into busy mom life and still give you the skills to start earning online. Make sure you stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com, originally from Malawi, and I'm studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. This month, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 12 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So the practical study options for busy moms is you want to be able to do short online programs that are affordable and self-paced that you can work around your schedule. And there's so many options there. You could actually start learning for free. You could do a YouTube search. You could do blogs. There's so much information out there. And one of the things that I love is being able to follow proven step-by-step blueprint and an action guide that takes you by the hand, cuts out all the fluff, and shows you exactly what you need to do. And if you have access to communities and masterminds, so that you can surround yourself with people who are learning the same skills, who are applying the skills, and you can see that social proof that it actually works, that makes it helpful and helps you stay focused and accountable to building your business, right? So look for beginner-friendly explanations. Don't get too jargon-friendly. Don't go for theory. You want to be able to actually learn and apply, learn and earn at the same time, okay? And you need something that will take about 2 hours of your time, not countless and countless of hours glued to your phone. And the secret really is don't try to learn everything at the same time, because that's just going to lead to burnout, overwhelm, frustration, and confusion. You need to focus on one platform, one skill, and then when you've mastered that, you can move on. So let me go ahead and share my screen here and share with you some platforms that I've used in the past to actually learn digital marketing skills that are available for you. So a good search, a quick search will reveal, like Google has a platform here. So I can search for digital marketing, and you can see build self-confidence, business communication, digital workshops. So you can see all these courses. Fundamentals of digital marketing sounds good. So you can click on them and you can see what the concepts are, the modules really, build your knowledge and all that, right? Very, very powerful. We have Coursera, which is another platform. And again, just a quick digital marketing search will reveal all these courses, and you can literally click on it to get more information. You can see how many people have enrolled. Over 1 million people have enrolled in this one. The next one starts today. She's a top instructor, and so on, and what you learn and everything, right? It breaks it down step by step. And then here's Skillshare, is another platform. Again, the concept is the same, right? There's no shortage of platforms. Now, last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's actually teaching me these digital marketing skills. And I love that this was created by a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren who went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following, to earning her first million in 17 months. She's gone on to earn 6 million in 3 years, and she's on a mission to help 1,000 members of our community earn 6 figures. So far, we have 56,000 paid members in our community. Over 130 are online right now. If I had a question I would ask, somebody would answer, because we're across the globe. There's somebody always online. We're in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, New Zealand, Australia, everywhere, in Malaysia, Indonesia. And the best part is it's a one-time payment with no monthly subscription, but every single week we have live interactive coaching and mentorship. On Tuesday, she started this 3-day workshop, which has blown my mind. Absolutely amazing, where she's showing us how to, in 3 days, how to get a clear plan to add 200 new customers. And today is the last day of that 3-day workshop. And We have a webinar, a welcome, a training showing us how to welcome our new customers coming up later today. We have a free webinar tomorrow. So this is our October schedule. And as the weeks go on, more and more training is added. The classroom is where we have additional tools and resources to help us build our business. Our 90-day run is where our multi-millionaire mentor takes us by the hand for 90 days, gives us short video tutorials with action steps, cheat sheets to help us stay focused and accountable to building our business. We have free webinars that every week where our multi-millionaire mentor, six-figure mentor, does the selling and telling. We have mindset training to help us get rid of our stinking thinking. We even have a content vault that we can use this content on social media. And then lastly, our community is where we have I'm going to share with you the different wins that are shared in our community. So Zoe, 20 hours ago, she made 11,500 in September. She's based in South Africa. So in rands, she's made over 200 rands. Okay. Romilda, blown away, 11,500, 198,000 for September, right? Similar. And let's see, who's this? Shirley, 8 days ago, 1,200 in 5 minutes, 2 sales back to back, right? She shares a screenshot there. So you can say 742 and 747. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations. She says, I love this business. 100K watch. She's earned 98,000 with this program, right? Absolutely amazing. Let me see. Kamala, 14 hours ago, woohoo, woke up to $900 on her birthday, an amazing birthday gift. Let's see, Kate, a day ago, 900, woohoo. Hi, everyone, I'm excited to announce my first sale of 900 after 4 months. Congratulations to her. So these are the different wins, right? So members of our community have. Daryl made over 2K this weekend, so close to that 500,000 mark. He's one of our 6-figure mentors. And because what we have here is a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, no experience, no technical skills, no following, and you can start to learn the skills to build a successful digital business. Now, this month, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 12 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, go ahead and type blueprint in the comments so I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'll deliver this blueprint to your inbox. Check your spam, check your promotional folder. And once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com.